Flagstaff House was the venue where karachiites converged on 12th February to observe the 10th edition of Italian Design Day, hosted by Consul General Fabrizio Bielli.
Italian cities, the results of stratification and adaptation, represent a unique laboratory for projects that combine sustainability, inclusion, and technological innovation.
Senior Technology Officer of ANCE gave a presentation on sustainable urban spaces.
We need to regenerate our country. Regenerate is an absolute need for today because we need to shift from expansion to transformation. We have built a lot in the past decades. Our building stock, the Italian building stock, is old. More than 70% of our building stock has more than 50 years because it was built just after the Second World War.
A panel discussion was held featuring industry experts.
What I want to highlight is that we were not talking about engineering or industry, we were talking about culture.
Italian Development Committee IDC.
The selection of this particular venue by the Consulate with the help of the Flagstaff House was built around the fact that the theme for this year is all about regenerative spaces and sustainability.
I was just wondering how big is your power, because I compare the recycled material that actually Italy used to do on daily basis now. Just in 2022-2023, they could recycle 70,000 tons of aluminium.
Photos titled Urban Regeneration, the Italian Way to Sustainable Future was exposed in the lawns of Flagstaff House. The event highlighted Italian expertise in transforming urban environments through maintainable, superior, and inventive design.